Welcome to this video on operators in C++. We will explore the different types of operators and how they are used in programming. What exactly is an operator? An operator is a symbol that performs an operation on one or more operands. For example, in int c equals a plus b, the plus sign is an operator. Operators in C++ can be classified into several types, including arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, increment/decrement, bitwise, conditional, and other special operators. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. This code example demonstrates how arithmetic operators are used in C++ to perform basic mathematical operations on integer variables. Relational operators are used to compare two values. They evaluate to either true or false. Here is a code example showing how relational operators like equals, not equals, less than, and greater than are used to compare variables. Logical operators combine multiple conditions. In this example, the double ampersand represents the logical AND operator. This code demonstrates using the logical AND operator to check if an age falls within a specific range to determine eligibility. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The assignment operators often combine an arithmetic operation with assignment, like a plus equals 5, which is equivalent to a equals a plus 5. Increment and decrement operators are convenient shortcuts to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. This example illustrates the use of pre-increment, where the variable is incremented before its value is used, and post-increment, where the value is used before being incremented. The key difference between pre- and post-increment is when the increment operation takes effect relative to when the variable's value is used in the expression. Bitwise operators perform operations directly on the individual bits of integer operands. Here is a code example showcasing common bitwise operators, including bitwise AND, OR, and XOR. The conditional, or ternary operator, is a shorthand way to execute one of two expressions based on a condition. The syntax is shown here. C++ also includes special operators like size of comma, address, pointer, and scope resolution. The size of operator is used to determine the size in bytes of a data type or variable. The comma operator evaluates a sequence of expressions and returns the result of the last expression. The scope resolution operator allows access to a global variable when a local variable with the same name is in scope. Shift operators are a type of bitwise operator. Left shift is equivalent to multiplying by 2, and right shift is equivalent to dividing by 2. Operator precedence determines the order in which operators in an expression are evaluated. Parentheses can be used to override the default precedence. To summarize, operators perform operations on operands, and C++ supports various types. Understanding them and their precedence is fundamental for programming. Thank you for watching this video on C++ operators.